What will happen to America if marijuana is made legal? That is the question looming over our country as more states move towards marijuana legalization. Well, one study attempted to answer just that. Researchers from Montana State University and the University of Colorado conducted a research project titled "The Legalization of Recreational Marijuana: How Likely is the Worst-Case Scenario?" According to the study, as more marijuana becomes available, less alcohol will be consumed. The report also directly correlates marijuana legalization with less traffic injuries and deaths. Furthermore, violent crime in general dramatically decreases. Their findings were based on surveying Colorado and Washington following their legalization. However, those opposed to pot have some harsh criticisms.
We are seeing larger numbers of teens who are seeking treatment for marijuana in the United States than for all other illegal drugs combined.
And those numbers are especially concerning because of the effects marijuana has on teens. A study by the National Drug Policy found that when teens use the drug, their risk for depression skyrockets. The Journal of Schizophrenia also found adults who smoked pot regularly as teens were shown to have a neuropsychological decline and more cognitive problems. HLN's talk show host Nancy Grace says she spent decades studying the effects of marijuana and opposes its legalization because it kills people's motivation.
Look, the ones that are disagreeing are lethargic, sitting on the sofa eating chips.
Oh,
Pot.
that is a
fat
blanket statement,
and lazy.
Nancy Grace.
There.
But you might be surprised some of the noted marijuana smokers who contradict Grace's theories.
Stephen Jobs developed Apple Computer smoking pot. Ted Turner developed CNN News smoking pot. Still smokes a joint every day.
And there are other notable Americans who've also been known to light up.
A few times in the Army, I tried marijuana. It was not a significant part of my life.
I had a senior law enforcement official tell me that in his judgment, up to a quarter of the White House staff when they first came in had used drugs in the last 4 or 5 years.
Despite one's personal beliefs on pot, it still remains a Schedule I narcotic under federal law because of its high risk for abuse. The FDA also says despite rumored health benefits to smoking pot, they are really false. The Drug Enforcement Agency says the legalization of marijuana will come at the cost of our nation's children and public safety. As it stands now, medical marijuana is legal in 20 states and Washington, D.C., while marijuana is legal for recreational use in Colorado and Washington. Cindy Lundeberg, One America News.